Welcome to WebStarBrus. How to create a theme switcher for a website that uses custom CSS properties or CSS variables. How to make it switch between dark and light mode. In this video, we are going to find out. So here I have a heading, paragraph, and a button. This is the output. Let's apply some styles for body, button, container. And this is the result. So for the body, we have got background color white and color black. And for the button, background color black and color white. Okay, to use a theme, we should first define its properties. So I'll define custom variables for background color, button background, and button text color in CSS root. This is the default theme, background color white and text color black. For button, background color black and text color white. These are variables, background color, text color, button, BG, button text. Okay, so the dark theme. Defined using custom dataset property. So data-theme value is dark. Dataset is a property of HTML elements that provides a way to access custom data attributes. Attributes that start with data dash. Here attribute is theme and its value is dark. So this dark theme has background color black, text color white, button background color white, and button text blackish. We can define more custom variables to apply to our theme if we like. Now, how will we apply this theme? First of all, in CSS, we'll have to replace the hard-coded color and background color values with variables that we have defined here. So for the body, background color and color, we will use this background color like this, var background color. Similarly, text color, var text color. Button BG, this is the button background color. So here we will have var button BG. Button text, this is the color for the button, var button text. So now we have made these values dynamic. That will come from here, depending on which theme is being applied. Variable names are same, values are different, and the names are different. This is the root default theme. This is the dark theme. Okay, now we need some kind of mechanism to switch the themes. For that, we'll use JavaScript. We'll go to our page, and in the scripts here, we will get this button theme switcher. So we selected the button. Now we added a click event listener to the button that will switch theme to dark if no theme is applied. If dark theme is applied, then we are removing that theme. Here, this ternary operator. If dark, remove it. Otherwise, apply the dark. Document.body.dataset.theme. Theme is the name of our dataset. So here, switch theme and it's dark theme. Switch theme, dark theme is removed. If we reload the page, it goes away and it changes back to default theme. Okay, so we can create and use more themes. In the CSS, we created dark theme. Let's use blue theme with background color blue, and let's use button text blue as well. So under data theme, we have theme names like dark and blue. Now we can call these themes by using their names, either in body attribute or in JavaScript. So here in the body, we can use something like data-theme. This data-theme equals dark. Save it and the theme is changed to dark. Let's use blue here, and here is the blue theme. Use empty string, it changes to white. So we can change the theme like this, or we can use JavaScript. Let's see. In the console, document.body.dataset.theme equals dark, and now the theme is dark. Let's use blue, and it's blue. Let's use empty string, and it's back to default. Okay, so now let me explain the key concept here. CSS variables are defined in the root selector and overridden in data-theme selector or dataset selector. On button click, the script toggles the data-theme attribute between dark and an empty string. If data theme equals to dark, the dark styles from data theme dark will be applied. If data theme is empty or not set, the default styles from root selector will be applied. Now, as I mentioned earlier, dataset is a property of HTML elements that provides a way to access custom data attributes, attributes that start with the data dash defined on an element, like we did here. Data dash theme equals its value. Document.body.dataset will be an object like theme dark, as you can see here. We can access the value of data theme attribute using document.body.dataset.theme, like this. Right? So this is how we can create custom CSS themes and switch to different themes easily using dataset property and custom CSS variables. And this is how you can create different themes for your app and apply them using button or custom body attribute. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.